Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 18th, and this is my analysis of the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I still think this looks like a big WXY. I think it looks like 3 waves up, W, 3 waves down, X. I still think this is going to be an A, a B, and a C of wave Y, because a wave Y should be a 3-way pattern, and I still think it most likely will go up and take out these highs before we get a bigger push to the downside. So taking it down to the weekly. On the weekly time frame, to me, it still looks like a wave A. It still looks like a WXY of wave B. If that's true, that means that this is a 1 of C, this is a 2 of C, and that this is just going to keep on trending up, eventually making a wave 3 of C, a wave 4 of C, and a wave 5 of wave C. Just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame, I still am a big believer that this move down right here is nothing more than a correction to this move up. I think that there's a very good likelihood that this is already a wave 3. I think this 5 waves up is a wave 1. I still think this is a complete ABC of 2. I still think we're in a wave 3, and any pullbacks we see are nothing more than just subdivisions of that wave 3. I still think this is going to continue on the daily, weekly, and monthly to make higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low in a big wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think this seems very, very clearly to be a wave A. I think this is very clearly a correction wave B. To me, this looks like a downtrend for a wave C. It doesn't really look like the downtrend might be over yet. It may actually be more likely that it goes down and retests the 61.8 or maybe even all the way down to the 78.6 before it actually does go up, break structure to the upside, and continue the uptrend. And we do have a lot of dollar news and really news all across the board this week, so I think we're going to have a very, very busy week. Going down to the shorter time frames, I mean, it does kind of look like a little bit of a short. It looks like it's more likely right now to go down to test the 61 or maybe even the 78.6. But we do have to be careful because I think there's a good chance it might just bounce from a fib level, may go up and break structure, proving that the wave C is over and continuing the uptrend. So I'm definitely waiting for a break of structure to the upside to go long. But if you do trade on the 1 hour time frame and below, then really you should be looking for shorts, and it kind of looks like it's making a short right now. I definitely see 3 waves up and a lower high. Probably pretty likely that it'll go down at least to the 61.8. It is Monday and we really don't have a lot of news today, and we have a lot of news for the rest of the week, so definitely be cautious because it may just go up and it may break structure and it may just continue the uptrend pretty much at any time, especially with the fact that the trend is up on basically all the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked in the corner down here below. So as always, thanks and happy trading.